Sir, the President in his SONA said that PAGCOR Chief Andrea Domingo should push gambling some more. And he said that after he commended her agency's high revenues. Does that mean, sir, that he will now lift his moratorium on new casinos?
I think he was referring to online gambling that is legitimate.
We want
He
more
was
of that.
against noon yung mga illegal gambling. Di ba? Ang daming pumasok noon. Kaya pinatigil niya.
Of course, he's against that, sir. But we have moratorium on new casinos, licensing new casinos. Are we open to
That
lifting
would be the logical consequence of what he said.